Hi, my name's Stu and welcome to what for some time will be my last drone video. Unfortunately, due to the lockdown that has been going on in Austria for a few weeks, I have not been able to get outside to fly with my drone, which is of course understandable, but it leaves me in a position where I've got a YouTube channel where I want to upload drone footage, but I can't because with this video today, I am presenting the last drone footage that I still have in my storage. So for those of you who are on my channel and are supporting it, thank you to all of you. But for those in particular who are here for the drone videos, I'm really sorry that following after today, it will be a while until I will be able to share some drone footage again. In the meantime, I'll obviously be doing more of the film reviews. So please, if you can, continue showing your support by watching those videos, because I also put a lot of thought into them. Obviously not as much editing etc as with the drone footage, but still. So with that being said, I hope you really enjoy this video. I feel like it's my best to date. I'm really proud of this video, so please afterwards let me know how you liked it in the comments down below. Feel free, if you enjoyed it, to like and subscribe to the channel as well, and I hope I'll be able to bring you some more drone footage very soon. Now, without further ado, let's get to the video. Today we're out to make another drone video, and while we have chosen one specific castle ruin for the video, the rest of it will be rather spontaneous. So on the way there, when we see something interesting on the route, we will stop and try the drone out. Today in particular, I would love to do a hyperlapse video. I haven't done that yet. So ideally I want something where I can have either clouds moving in the background or some cars. It is cloudy today, although it's not very windy, but hopefully that will be enough to allow me to make a good hyperlapse video. And apart from that, I just want some scenery shots, so nothing in particular planned. A bit of an adventure, I'll call it. Well, I'll see you there. Bye. Okay, so the drone's taking the hyperlapse video right now. I hope it works. I've just set it for a simple thing because it's the first time, so the drone is just flying straight forward. It's filming this area here, so the field and the road, and hopefully we can see some cars and clouds passing by a bit quicker. I hope it works. Hyperlapse is an interesting thing for me, so the drone is filming for 6 minutes just to produce an 8-second video. So I hope after this we will have a result that will be pleasing, but I'll let you see in a minute. This is the ruin in the background. Obviously I've already shown you some shots of that, and what we'll do now is we'll try and find a different angle to approach it. So we'll drive to another parking place and see if we can find yeah, just a different angle to film the ruin, and I'm a bit cautious about flying here because there's so many people and buildings about, so I'd rather not just fly about willy-nilly with the drone, but instead find a decent parking place. We're on our way back now, but we're not going home just yet because on our way here we saw some fields that I believe will look very good in the drone video. So we'll try and find them now, so hopefully this is not the end of the video yet and there'll be still some more to see. Catch you in a bit. Okay, so we're here at the windmills now, the drone's already in the air. We're hoping for some good shots. I don't know if the hyperlapse video will work with the windmills, maybe it's the wrong thing to do. I still wanted to try it. And we've got all these open fields here as well, so I'll fly over them. We've already seen a few animals running around, so maybe I'll be able to film one or two of them. The drone does have the ability to zoom in, so I can do that without having to fly too close to them and disturb them, so hopefully that'll work. But yes, I hope you enjoyed the video. Right, that's the whole video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a very beautiful landscape. The wind was quite strong today. I can feel it in my fingers as well. They've gotten a bit stiff already. So even though the temperatures aren't too bad, the wind can make it a bit difficult. For the drone as well, because you get error messages saying that due to the high velocity, you should be cautious and land it. But I don't think it interfered with any of the videos. At least I couldn't tell from the screen that there were any problems. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.